Do you see, Georges, a world where you could also have competing financial systems, actually or splitting off in different networks? Is that a step too far?
So the short answer, Francine, is no. Now there are some countries, some jurisdictions that have been excluded from the financial system for many for years, some for decades. I can see a flag behind you. Those countries have been excluded for various geopolitical reasons, and they're not in the financial system. Everything else, we see it as a cohesive financial system. I want to give you some illustration, Francine. 60% of our largest customers, wholesale customers, in mainland China are US companies. And mind that these are not US companies who are looking to manufacture in China to sell back into the US. The vast majority of them are actually manufacturing in mainland China for the China domestic market or for the Asian market opportunities, right? Now, they are very successful. They're making very good revenues and very good profits from this business, and they're paying very large dividends back into the US for the US shareholders. So that is not going to go away. That is the reality of how this world is integrated and how the financial system is integrated. I can say exactly the same thing about India. Okay, I can say, Francine, you and I live in London, right? If you jump on an electric black cab, or you jump on an electric double-decker red bus, or if you're buying renewable energy in the UK, chances are you're buying Chinese, and that's the reality.
And that you're not expecting it to change.
I think the resilience of this underlying fabric is absolutely here to stay. What has changed is that there are certain assets which have now become or be deemed national security assets, such as code, Gen AI type code, such as chips, semiconductors, the most advanced ones of them, such as data and cloud. And those assets are going to fragment. Those assets are going to have national boundaries. Data has had national boundaries for some time. Data visas are required to move data around. Regulation has started to have lots of national boundaries. And there's going to be more highly strategic assets that will have national boundaries. And we, as the financial system, but also all our customers, will have to respect that and ensure that we're protecting the national considerations for these. But you step out of these assets, and there's a multitude, there's a huge ocean of opportunities where business is still conducted on a cross-border basis, and business will continue to be conducted on a cross-border basis, and we believe that's going to be the case.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.